So let's set up Apache Hive on our machine. Now in order to install it, let's open the terminal and go to directory user local. Okay, and then we need to download it from Apache website, and I have a link over here for you, so just copy this. Okay, and paste it here. Give your machines a password. Alright, so it will download Hive 2.1 on your machine. Let me pause the video here because it may take a few minutes to download. Alright, so now it's downloaded. Next we need to untar it. Okay, right, so we will untar this. Okay, and the last step is to rename it to something simple. Okay, and we'll use Hive. All right. Okay, so you can see we have a directory called Hive in it. In next exercise, we will do some configuration in our Hive installation. Okay, I see you in the next lesson.